Hello students, welcome to Daily English Homework. Let's take a look at today's homework. It says write a paragraph about yourself. You have to write a paragraph. So this video, we're going to talk about what a paragraph is and how to write one. Now I have an example paragraph here and let's read it together. My name is Robin Shaw. I'm Canadian. I live and work in Korea as a university professor. I like to go for a walk every day. I am single and I have no pets. I live alone. I spend a lot of time working on my YouTube videos and chatting on WhatsApp. Okay, so this is my paragraph talking about myself, and you will have to write a paragraph talking about yourself. So, what do I talk about? Or what do you talk about? This is what you're asking. You can talk about your name or nickname if you don't want to use your real name. Your country, where you're from would be good. Your age if you want. Your work, what kind of work you're doing, or what are you studying? You can talk about that. Your hobbies, your family. This is the basics, a good start for an introductory paragraph. And don't talk too much about yourself. Just the basics is good, like I did in my paragraph. Okay, I didn't give out too much information. Important, use paragraph form. All right, so form. Use paragraph form. If we go back, what is paragraph form? Now, what is a paragraph? Again, in English, we have the sentence. And if we have many sentences about the same topic, we group them into a paragraph. So my topic is about myself, so I grouped all my sentences in a paragraph. This is paragraph form. Now, if I did this, I'm going sentence by sentence. I'm hitting the enter key, enter key, enter key. Okay, that's it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. Now, here are 7 sentences, beautiful sentences. But this is not a paragraph because this does not have paragraph form. The form is the shape or style of the writing. So this is just 7 sentences. I would not call this a paragraph. A paragraph is when we write like this. You're writing along the line. Do not hit the enter key. Just automatically it goes to the next line, automatically the next line, and it will have this paragraph shape. So this is a paragraph. This is the paragraph form. So please use paragraph form. You just write and automatically your program will hit the enter for you. You do not hit the enter key. Write 5 to 10 sentences. I wrote 7 sentences. You can write more than 10 sentences. I'm not going to check it. All right, so 5 to 10, that's the good range for me to check and help you. Do not write a book and post it in the comments. And of course, edit it. You got to check it, which brings us to the home here. Let's talk about the tips first. So check the grammar and spelling. If you have a spelling mistake, I will not check it. You have to edit it. Check it in a program like Google Docs or MS Word. I'm using Google Docs now. I used Google Docs to edit my paragraph. As I'm writing, I make mistakes. And Google Docs will tell me when I make a mistake. Not always, but it's a good guide. They're very helpful. Write about yourself. Be sincere and serious. I'm very serious about checking your homework and improving your English ability, your writing ability. So please be sincere and serious. Post your homework in the comments and practice pronunciation in the WhatsApp group. So you're free to come into the WhatsApp group and read your paragraph, but do it after I check the paragraph. Some people post their homework and then come into the WhatsApp group and start reading their homework with all the mistakes. Don't do that. Post it. Be patient. I will check it. When I fix all the mistakes, then you come in and then read your paragraph in the WhatsApp group with perfect English. All right. That's everything. So write a paragraph about yourself. Do a good job. Please edit it. Good luck and do your homework.